Well, it is Friday. It is the last Friday of 2022. New Year's Eve is tomorrow. We came out with a lot of content today and yesterday and this entire week focused in on the holiday season, specifically on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. We also came out with our podcast, which featured the top criminal defense questions from 2022. So all of our content this week has been focused on that. And with that said, New Year's Eve and New Year's Day are typically, unfortunately, very busy days for criminal defense lawyers because we receive a lot of calls for a variety of crimes. I did put out a blog article regarding the most common crimes that we see during New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. These include things like DUI in Pennsylvania and DWI in New Jersey, assault, criminal mischief, disorderly conduct. These are all very common offenses. They aren't necessarily felony crimes, but they are still very, very serious, as I put in my recent blog article. I'm going to link in the blog article here. I'm also going to link in our top 10 questions from 2022. It was an excellent podcast that I did yesterday, and we put it out very, very quickly. We did not have a guest, unlike most podcasts, because I really wanted to focus in on the top questions to kind of round up the year in a good way and look forward to 2023. I think that the worst way to start 2023 is with a criminal charge. So that's why I put up the information. If you are stopped over the New Year's Eve, New Year's Day weekend, remember, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help your criminal case. If you are stopped and the officer wants to search the car, never give consent. Be polite to the officer, be respectful to the officer, but do not give consent to search your vehicle or your person or your property. Again, this will not help your case. It'll simply negate your right against illegal search and seizure in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Remember, with regards to assault, please try not to get in any kind of fights. If you are in an altercation, remember that if you're in an altercation and a police officer is called and comes to the scene, if you put your hands on the officer and you cause any type of injury, you will be charged with a felony offense in addition to something like resisting arrest. With regards to criminal mischief and disorderly conduct, these are also very, very common crimes that we see during New Year's Eve. All the events during New Year's Eve and New Year's Day have good intention, but unfortunately, sometimes people drink a little too much and things get out of hand. And then, unfortunately, criminal problems develop. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. If you have questions, again, visit our website, gambonelaw.com, for some more information. Again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. Have a great weekend. Have a happy new year, and I'll see you all in 2023.